Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Logics. My name is Sunil Pandey and today we are going to learn how to show formulas in Excel. So today we will talk about how to show formula in Excel in 2 clicks. Okay, we are going to see this with the shortcut also and the long cut also. Okay, so when you enter a formula into cell, it disappears and gets replaced by the result of the function. If you are putting any formula like this 45, 84, and I'll put sum. But here you can't see any formula. Okay, which is great. But sometimes you want to look back on the formula to see what it is. Excel has some built-in tools that can help you. Okay, we will take a look at them here and you will never have to struggle to get the details on your formulas again. Okay, yes, I know that you are thinking about that you can click in a cell and you will get the formula like this. See, but the first thing we are going to talk about is why that isn't the best way to do this. Okay, suppose you have a lot of formula in your Excel sheet. So in that scenario, you can't go every cell and click on that. Okay. So why not just click a formula into cell? The simplest way to find a formula into click on a cell and look at the formula bar. Or you can just select that particular cell and you can see it from here. See the formula bar. You can see the formula from here also. But there are some cases where it doesn't. Okay. In that scenario, you can see that particular sales formula only. Okay. For example, you want to see the hyperlink formula behind a URL in your sheet. By clicking on the cell, will open the link. Okay. So that is, suppose this is the formula. Okay. We have already put here sum and I have link the another sheet like let's see, place this document and I'll give the hyperlink to the next, the formula sheet. I click OK. In that scenario, if you click on that, the cursor will go on the second sheet. Okay. In that scenario, you can't see like this. Okay. So in that scenario, if you want to see more than one formula at a time, this method doesn't work at all. Okay, so to solve problem like these, we will show you how to view all the formula in your spreadsheet at once. Okay, that is called formula auditing mode. Okay, so we will see with the two option to make Excel show the formula behind every cell in your spreadsheet. You will need to engage formula auditing mode. Okay, so we have shortcut also. I have already mentioned over here, control plus this sign. Okay, this one, that's known as grave ascent, and you will find it the left of the one key on your keyboard. Okay, so let's see, we have a formula sheet and I have put some formula. In that scenario, you can't see any formula, you just see the numbers. But if I press control and grab ascent key like this, see the magic. Wherever is formula, that formula will show here. See, B2 minus C2, B8 minus C8, everything. Okay. And if you want to turn back the values, just click on same. See. So this is the shortcut. And now I will show you how to do this with the help of mouse. Okay. So you just need to go on formula, and here is option called show formula. Just click on that. The same result will come over here. Okay. And if you click same, it will turn back. Okay. So this is called how to show formula in Excel in just 2 clicks. Either you can use your shortcut from your keyboard, or you can click on this show formula. See. Okay. So I hope you understood this topic, and if you have any query regarding this, you can email me. I will solve your query. Don't need to worry about this. Thank you for watching this video. We will see in our next video. Have a great day. Thank you.